Tired of slow, crashy NAS? Meet ASUSTOR AS5402T. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, 4K streaming, SSD-Monster beast. Let's be real, your current NAS setup is probably hanging on by a thread. Slow file transfers. Constant lag. Painfully long load times. Your productivity is bleeding out every minute you wait for a file to sync or a stream to buffer. You've got deadlines to smash and content to create, not babysit outdated hardware. You're stuck juggling USB drives, cloud logins, and sketchy routers like it's 2011. Meanwhile, your data's barely hanging on in a digital dumpster fire of inefficiency. Sound familiar? Then buckle up, the ASUSTOR AS5402T is about to throw your digital chaos off a cliff. It's not just annoying anymore, it's a full-blown crisis. Every hour lost to lag, every crash mid-project, and every failed stream is more than just irritating, it's money left on the table and creativity sucked into the void. You're working with tools that choke under pressure, stifling your output and frying your focus. Deadlines don't wait. Neither does burnout. And if you're trying to stream, game, back up, or create all at once, forget it. You're one system freeze away from snapping your keyboard in half. Your NAS shouldn't feel like a bottleneck, it should be your launchpad. Enter the ASUSTOR AS5402T, the NAS that makes all others look like dial-up relics. Powered by a lightning-fast Intel quad-core 2.9 GHz CPU and juiced with 4x M.2 NVMe SSD slots, this beast chews through 4K HDR video, games, backups, and live streams like it's a walk in the digital park. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports break every speed limit you thought your network had. Want to stream to Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook from your phone and record in real time to your NAS? Done. Want it whisper quiet, tool-free, and gamer chic? Say less. It's the storage solution you didn't know could solve everything. From zero to why didn't I buy this sooner in seconds flat, the AS5402T doesn't just store data, it elevates your entire workflow. Instantly boost file transfer speeds, reduce CPU usage, and enjoy buttery smooth streaming with HDMI 2.0B and hardware-accelerated 4K decoding. Manage it all from your phone with AI Master. Snapshot Center protects your progress with 256 recovery points. Whether you're a solo creator, hardcore gamer, or full-stack streamer, this NAS gets you focused, frictionless, and future-ready. And yes, it looks as cool as it runs. Here's your sign. Stop wrestling with underpowered gear and start running the show like a digital boss. Don't wait for your next crash, delay, or meltdown to take the leap. Stocks are limited and performance junkies are already snatching these off the shelves. You've got the vision, now back it up with a NAS that won't blink when you push it. Get the ASUSTOR AS5402T today and turn every bottleneck into bandwidth bliss. Click. Buy. Dominate.